Dear students, my name is Daria, and I'm glad to say hi to you today from Canada, representing Wilfrid Laurier International College, which is located in the wonderful city of Brantford, not far from Toronto. WLIC is offering the first year of your bachelor degree programs with a guaranteed progression to the second year at Wilfrid Laurier University. Our institution was ranked #1 in Canada for quality of instructors and is top 5 for student satisfaction, which means you will start your bachelor degree in Canada smoother, having more attention from the qualified teachers and friendlier community. At WLIC, we know how important it is to choose a major for your future successful career. So all our programs are current and will provide you the necessary knowledge for your future success. We're offering a wide range of programs such as computer science, business technology management, economics and financial management, biology, biochemistry and biotechnology, law, data science, health administration, and many more. So start your exciting educational journey with Wilfrid Laurier International College for your future successful career in Canada. We're attending events in person in September, so kindly book an appointment with WLIC at desk number 12 through your Canam counselors to meet up with us from September 10th to September 24th on the date and time slot convenient for you. We look forward to having you at Wilfrid Laurier International College, Canada. See ya!